14 to forward. It's in the middle of the complex. It's in the middle of the complex.
Copy.
It is here. They hold shot for you to link up.
Full sign contact.
Forward to King 14. Give me it. Give me. Stay right there. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. Get on the ground. I got the car on the south side. Get on the ground. Don't fucking move. They're trying to drive away. Don't move. Don't move. King 14, they're going back towards you. Stop right there. We're 11. Shots fired. Shots fired. Stop right there.
Pick up that.
Freeze! Watch out, watch out! Down, boom! Shot fired! Oh, goddamn! Your hand! There's a guy in the car still! There's another guy in the car still. Another guy in the car. Let me get that.
I got you.
I need to give it supposed for you to call in. That Maple and Shaw.
Hey, I'm gonna put this in my car.
Multiple units, I copy suspect was shot.
Yes. Fort George 11. To the suspect that was shot.
Fort George 11.
We have one suspect shot by an officer. We have the other suspect in custody. Some minor injuries. EMS come northbound on Maple into Fresno State. We'll direct them from there.
The firearm recovered from the suspect vehicle was an AR-15 style rifle. The shotgun and bag that was carried by one of the suspects were recovered inside the victim's residence. The safe fell out of the SUV as the suspects fled from the apartment complex.